Hello everyone there, and welcome to tradingkamai.com. Now this video, which we are talking for now, is actually a follow-up video on a call which we had given on November 9. So on Friday, November 9, 2012, right, we gave a small write-up for Maruti Suzuki, and if you see this write-up on tradingkamai.com, we had said that basically try to buy between 1460 and 1470 and keep a stop loss of 1380, and then you can book profits at 1600, at 1700 and at 1800. And we had also given reasons why we felt that this stock is stronger. So if you look at the charts, right, the first thing which is worth noticing is that a strong trend line was broken. Now remember that this strong trend line of Maruti Suzuki was not an ordinary trend line. This trend line, it was formed in a period of approximately 3 years. So if you see right from 2009, you can see this chart over here. At 2009, it actually the stock actually started going down. At 2010, this trend line was created, or I think this support was created. At 2012, again this support was tried to be broken, and then finally, at mid of 2012, this was broken. So this trend line was a very strong trend line, and this trend line was broken, and so we had given this call. So we had said that buy at these positions and keep a stop loss here, and the first place where you will go and book profit is 1600, 1700 and 1800. Okay, now today means on 19th November 2012, that is right after 10 days we have given this call, right? You can see that this is the intraday chart, and you can see that it has zoomed and zoomed and zoomed above 1500 now. So our thought here would be that because now it has already gone above 1500, right, which is 60-70 rupees of profit approximately in a day, right, and must be more than that. What our advice would be to go and start booking partial profits. Partial profits means in case you have bought 1000 stock, sell 500 stock at this moment and book partial profits. And the second range would be 1600 and 1700. Finally, you can go and sell your stocks. Remember that you are a trader, and as a trader you don't get attached with any stock. So it's either Maruti Suzuki, either Infosys. You have a range given, your technical charts has given you a call, you strictly follow it, you strictly put your stop loss, you strictly book your profits partially. So again, this is one more rule as a trader, that book your profits partially. Do not be too much greedy, and do not wait for 1800 or 1700 levels. It can cross 1800, 1700 levels. No one says that, but nobody can estimate that it will not reach there, right? But at this moment, at least, you are sitting on profits. Book your profits. The next profit booking can be on 1700, the next one 1800, and so on. So this was a very small follow-up video on the call which we had given on tradingkamai.com. So in case you are interested, you can go to the site here, www.tradingkamai.com. And remember that this call, whatever we have given, and the follow-up call, one important point to note is that this is not a call actually. Okay, we are a training company who actually teaches technical analysis. So the calls whatever we give here, it is just to prove that how strong technical analysis is. That if you use technical analysis, how you can minimize your losses and how you can make profits. So as we have already said in the previous article, that this is not a tip, it is not a suggestion. So in case you are taking this call, it is all at your risk, and it is very much possible that we have personal interest and position in this stock. So please do your analysis before investing and before looking into the stock. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and in case you are interested in learning technical analysis, please call on this number, on the Mumbai landline number, and we are more than eager to help you up. In case you want to send an email, you can send an email at trading.kamai@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.